A very good morning to all my students. Here is Kaushalya Rajpurohit, your maths teacher. And now what we are going to do is we are going to complete our run through exercise. So are you all ready with me? We have already discussed up to question number 3. So you have to fill it. But you have to also mention the property. So can you tell me what will be the property for question number 3? A. It will be the distributive property over addition. Second one commutative and the third one will be distributive for subtraction. So this is simple, you can do it yourself. Now we'll go for the question number 4. So I'll solve 1 or 2 for you. The rest of them I have to solve by yourself. Okay? So let us do one of them. So A, 7 upon 20 of 1500. Okay, so it will be 7 upon 20 multiplied by 1500. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to just solve this. 0, 0, 2 ones are, 2 sevens are, and 5 are, that is 75. Then you will find the answer and you will get what is 7 by 20th of 1500. Okay, so this is that simple. Now, similarly, you can find out 2 by 25 of a meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Again, R. So 2 by third of an hour is 2 by third of 60 minutes. You can find out. And so I'll do E for you. That is 1/3 of an year. An year, that means 1 year. So what will you do? 1/3 of 12 months, right? Because 1 year is equal to 12 months. So 1/3 of 12, that is 1 by 3 into 12. 1s are 4s are, that is 4. So 1/3 of year, that is 4 months. Okay, this is simple. Question number 4. I hope you can do it easily. Now I will go for question number 5. Question number 5 is the simplification of some equations are given and you have to simplify them using the BODMAS rule. So you have practiced it a lot. So I'll solve one for you and the rest of them is to be solved by you. Okay, so let me solve one for you. Just have a quick recall. So do you remember the BODMAS system? Brackets plus of, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay? Now, question number 5. A. 1, 2 by 5 multiplied by 3, 2 by 4 divided by 1, 7 by 10. So whenever we have such some mixed fraction, what I have taught you, just convert them into improper fractions. So first thing we'll do that. So 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7 by 5 multiplied by 4 3s are 12, 14 upon 4, that is 12 plus 2 divided by 10, 17 plus 10. So this is it. Now I'll do, what will I perform? I perform division first. So I'll do this one. So 7 by 5 multiplied by 14 upon 4 multiplied by 10 upon 17. Okay? Because when we divide, we just multiply with the reciprocal. So what can it be? 2s are, 4 2s are, 4 5s are. Sorry, 2 2s are and 2 5s are. 2 1s are, 2 7s are. So what I have? 7 upon 5 multiplied by, what it is? 7 into 5 divided by 7. Okay, again I will cut 5. So what will I have? 49 upon 17. So this will be the answer for your first question. Let me solve one for you. 2 upon 5 plus 9 upon 10 divided by 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. So they have provided us 2 brackets here. So first of all, what we'll do, we'll solve the bracket first. So we will solve the individual bracket first, this one and this one. We have to solve both of them, this and this. So let us do it. First here. Okay, so 10. Okay, now 5 2s are, I'll just see if 5 and 10 we have, then 10 will be the LCM. So 5 2s are, that is 10 plus 9. Okay, I am just doing it directly. You can solve it properly also. Here 4, 2 minus 1. So what I have? 19 upon 10 divided by 1 upon 4. That is 19 upon 10 multiplied by 4 upon 1. So what will I have? 5s, and here it will be 2s. So 2 upon 9. Okay, so sorry, it will be 4. I'm sorry. 2 2s are 4, and it is 13. Okay, so I have 13 2s, that is 26 upon 5. So this will be your answer. This will be 2s is 4. Okay, so the answer will be 26 upon 5. So like this you can solve all the sum. Now what you have to do is you have to solve question number 5 whole, and when I'll provide you the PDF, you'll check the answers. Now we'll go for question number 6. Himani bought 4 by 5 kg of sugar. She used 3 by 4 of it to make some dessert. So let us solve this. So Himani has bought some amount of sugar, and what it is? Okay, so Himani, question number 6. Now sugar brought by Himani is 4 by 5 kg. Right? This is the weight of the sugar. Now what she have done, she have used 1/3 of this sugar to make dessert. Dessert means any sweets, right? So sugar used in making dessert. Sugar used in making dessert will be 3 by 4 of 4 by 5 kg. Right? 3 by 4 of 4 by 5 kg, that is 3 by 4 multiplied by 4 kg. So what will I have? Is there any number that you can cut? No, there cannot be any number that can be cut. Okay, so what will, 4 by 5. So 1s, so I have 3 by 5 kg. So the sugar used by Himani to make dessert is 3 by 5 kg. Now how much sugar is left? Now if you find out how much sugar is left, what you have to do? You have to just subtract the sugar used from the total sugar. So what will be B? Sugar left. This one is A. Right? Now sugar left will be, total sugar is 4 by 5 kg minus what sugar is used? 3 by 5 kg. Now these are like fractions, so I can subtract them directly. 4 minus 3 kg, that is 1 by 5 kg. So the sugar remaining is 1 by 5 kg. Got it? So this is really simple example. Now we'll go for the second one, that is 7. I hope you have understood it. Question number 7. Sanjeev ate 1/6 of a cake. He gave 1/5 of the remainder to his friend. Right? Now संजीव है some amount of cake. एक amount of cake था, उसका 1/6 पार्ट क्या किया? संजीव ने एड खा लिया. अब जो बच गया, जो रिमाइंडर था, उसका 1/5 पार्ट he gave to his friend. He kept the rest of the cake. What fraction of the cake did he kept? Now this same type of sum we have taken before. So let us do it. Fraction of cake eaten by Sanjeev. 1/6. Okay, now this is the cake he have eaten. Okay, Now tell me what will be the cake remaining. He gave 1/5 of the remainder to his friend. Now this is he had ate. See, if we draw a figure. Okay. Now this is a total cake and the total parts will be 6. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. उसमें से he ate one part, right? That means what is remaining? 5/6. This is eaten by Sanjeev and this is remaining part. So whenever you have this type of question, just draw figures so that it will be easy for you. This is the total cake. It is divided into what is the denominator? उतने parts में हमको divide करना है. And the numerator will be the cake eaten by him. So if we have 6 parts of the cake, one part is eaten by Sanjeev and the remaining will be 5/6. So the fraction of remaining cake will be 5/6. Okay, now this is cake remaining and he has given 1/3 of the remaining, 1/5 of the remaining cake to his friend. So, fraction of cake given to friend. See, what is the cake now? 5/6. And how much he has given? He has given 1/5. So 1/5 of 5/6. That is 1/5 into 5/6. That is 1/6. Again, 1/6 part is eaten by whom? Is or the given by to the friend. Okay, now he kept the rest. Right now the remaining part is kept with him. So what will be the remaining part? That you have to find out. Right? See, 5/6. The total was 1/6. Sorry, the total was 1. Then in one part संजीव ने 1 खाया और बाकी के 5 parts बच गए. अब वो जो 5/6 part था उसका 1/5 क्या किया? He has given to his friend. So he had add 1/6. Now what is the remaining? Now I have to the remaining part of the, or I can say the part he has kept will be 5/6 minus 1/6. Right? 5/6 बचा था, उसमें से 1/6 friend को दिया तो बाकी का क्या बचा? 5/6 minus 1/6. So the remaining part will be, or the fraction of the remaining part will be fraction of cake left, or you can say he kept. The fraction of cake he kept will be 5/6 minus 1/6. 5/6 was the remaining cake. उसमें से भी 1/6 he has given to his friend. So the remaining will be 4/6. That is 2/3. So 2/3 is the fraction of cake which has been left or is remaining or he kept. Now the next question. A pipe of certain length has been divided into 3 equal parts. If length of each part of the pipe is 3 2/3 meter, what was the original length of the pipe? It's really simple. Okay, so we'll go for question number 8. Now what they have told, this is a pipe and it has been divided into 3 equal parts, right? And what is the length of each part? It is 2/3 meter. That is 11/3 meters. Okay, now this is the part, length of each part, and there are 3 equal parts. So what is the length of whole pipe? It's simple. Length of each part. What is the length of each part? 2/3 meter. That is 11/3 meters. Number of parts is 3. Therefore, length of, or you can say original length of the pipe will be length multiplied by 3, that is 11 meters. So the answer will be 11 meters. So what you have to do is you have to just multiply it. Okay. So I hope you have understood it, and please practice all the sum. We'll continue in our next sessions. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you.